Hey everybody, gonna be kind of a confusing barn update for this one. We've got about a week of stuff we've done here and there, little bits of this and that. So I'm gonna kind of fit it all together into one video as we continue to fight the Super C back into one piece. Parts are going back in it, but we've hit a few snags, that unforeseen little issues that we're gonna have to deal with that you'll see in the video. So, well, stay tuned and stay tuned. Dad, I'll hold it there. Is that the new stuff?
Yeah.
Let's see how that works. Yeah. Oh, let me show me the can. Seafoam Deep Creep, something new we're trying. They're not sponsoring us, we just ran into it at Rural King. If they want to sponsor us, they're more than welcome to. Seafoam can send us whatever they want. Oh, that's beautiful.
There.
Light that way. Yeah, they wouldn't even hold up. Let's go nose around, look at tires a second. We need another set of weights. Old steels. Not sure what those are off of. More bad than I'd pay money to put them on, I think. Yeah, case. Look, somebody painted it with a brush. 3-point. It's got an IH water temperature gauge on it. Little running gear. Little old weird hopper wagon. Somebody might have shortened that. Old running gear. Wonder if that's international gear. If anyone can identify this gear, go ahead and comment. Bush hog there. There's a couple old discs, Dad. No. This might be a mud. I think that's a hydraulic conversion. Orders.
Almond.
Yeah, 44, 50.
Yeah, rusted in half.
Bad. 50C. It's in bad shape. New Holland Baler up there. That's a whole.
And I ate underneath of it.
Yeah. Yeah, that's cool. I'm going to have to measure ours because the ones on our 3 bottom are shot with a capital S. All right, I'll go settle up and we'll motor on down the road. Probably kind of a mid video jump in here, but this is a day I've been avoiding because I'm going to go ahead and dig in. Oh, looks like Dad got a bunch of it. Finish cleaning this up and get that differential out. Not painting, I wish. Back after I do a little research, but for that I need the phone. Oh, well.
What are you running?
This light.
Huh?
This light. I got nothing on.
I have no idea.
I'll turn these lights off till you're done. We'll just wait until Dad's done with the needle gun, and then I'll get back to work. When the compressor kicks on down at this end, it trips the breaker, so I'm going to convert the compressor to 220, run a new outlet to it later this week. So for right now, while Dad's out using the needle scaler, I'm using the little work light and try to keep pushing ahead. Got the differential out, got one side of the carrier out, gonna get this other side out, get everything clean. Watch the shims, don't damage the shims. There we go. Now this is where we're at right now. It seems pretty clean. Cleaner than it was. Of course, all the tar's gone. This all feels pretty good. I'm committing a cardinal sin. I'm not going to tear this apart. I'm going to clean the living heck out of everything else, primer it, put this tractor back together, and roll with it because I have other things I need to get done. Am I wrong? Probably. Am I going to do it? Yeah. I would rather do the full-on perfect job, but I can't right now. So it's kind of a little bit of a compromise. So I'll get on to doing some of the other work. I'm going to get a good pictures, video of how all this stuff goes together. Because we're going to have to strip everything down. Chased a lot of threads, and they're pretty clean in there, and I'm going to go home and order more parts.
That's what they said.
Yeah. That rides on the pinion. That has to be clipped to the pinion. Okay, getting our left side housing cleaned up. Got our order from Steiner today. Got the new O-rings. Big one for that one. The little one for the outer. Got our new brake adjuster bolts here. So we're going to get these oiled up and installed on this and put this guy aside for now. Oh yeah, I clean up my shims too. A lot of little jobs today. Brand new pair of ST201 bearings for the differential outers. Right from the case dealer. USA. See the diffs back in. The all new O-rings, both sides. The new clutch seals are in. Everything's as clean as it's going to get. And the slow process of reassembly has begun. So that's kind of the mechanical Monday. Mechanical, maniacal Monday.
You got pictures of the other one too, don't you?
Yeah. Got a new IH bearing on there. Got a pre-lube with some 30 weight. Got her lined up here. Don't forget your C-clip, your retainer clip right there. You can see that. Those are a bear. And we are. Looking good. Can't show everybody this. This is kind of what one of the two things that put a stop to us today. You can see cracked. About 4 or 5 of these are broken off. The ends of these on the bull gear. So gonna be trying to source some better ones. Don't know if this would make much of a difference, if it'd be all right. Just not sure yet what we're gonna do. Progress today. Thought we were gonna get the axles back on, the axle housings. Of all the stuff we bought, I forgot to get gaskets. So those are now ordered from Case IH, which is probably gonna be Monday for those. Axles are ready to go, back on, everything's back together. Both sides. New bearings are on the stubs. These are pre-lubed and ready to go. So differentials back together, but probably the last update till Tuesday or so when we can make the parts run Monday night and get going again. So kind of a holding pattern. We'll do some stuff at home.